Ever feel like there just isn't enough time in the day to fit in a workout? Between work, family, and daily responsibilities, finding time to exercise can feel impossible. But what if I told you that all you need is 5 minutes to break a sweat and get your heart pumping? Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with limited time on their hands, this full-body home workout will help you burn calories, build strength, and keep you in shape. No equipment required. So, let's jump into it and show you how a quick workout can make a big difference. Why 5 minutes is enough? You might be wondering, can you really see results with just 5 minutes of exercise? The answer is yes, but there's a catch. The key is intensity. When you work at a higher intensity, even a short workout can deliver significant benefits. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is the secret sauce here. These workouts are designed to get your heart rate up quickly, helping you burn more calories in less time while improving both cardiovascular health and muscle endurance. The best part? You don't need any special equipment or even a gym membership. You can do this entire workout right from home, fitting it into even the busiest of schedules. The importance of full-body workouts. Why focus on full-body workouts? Well, by engaging multiple muscle groups at once, full-body exercises burn more calories and build functional strength that benefits your everyday activities. Plus, full-body workouts help improve coordination, balance, and flexibility, which are essential for overall fitness. By including exercises that target different areas of the body, you're maximizing your calorie burn and improving your muscle tone in just 5 minutes. Let's talk warm-up. Before we dive into the workout, it's essential to warm up. A proper warm-up not only prepares your muscles for the workout, but also helps prevent injury. For this workout, we're keeping it simple. Spend about 30 seconds doing some light jogging in place or marching to get your heart rate up. Follow that with dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings to loosen up your joints. And now, we're ready to jump into the workout. 1. Squat to knee raise. We're starting with squat to knee raise. This move targets your lower body, glutes, hamstrings, quads, while also engaging your core for balance. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat, making sure your knees don't go past your toes. And as you rise, lift one knee towards your chest. Alternate knees with each squat. This is a great way to tone your legs and engage your abs at the same time, giving you a solid foundation for the rest of the workout. 2. Push-ups. Next up, we've got push-ups. Now, don't worry if regular push-ups are too difficult. You can always modify them by doing them on your knees or against a wall. Push-ups are a fantastic full-body move because they primarily target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but they also engage your core and lower body for stability. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and lower yourself down until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle. Push back up, making sure to breathe throughout the movement. 3. Plank to shoulder tap. Now let's get into plank to shoulder tap. This move is all about core stability, but it also works your arms and shoulders. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders, while keeping your core tight and hips level. Lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder. Alternate sides, keeping the movement controlled. This exercise not only strengthens your core, but also improves your balance and coordination. Plus, by adding the shoulder taps, you're making your arms work a little harder too. 4. Reverse lunge with a twist. Let's give those legs some more attention with reverse lunges, but we're adding a twist, literally. Start by stepping back into a lunge, lowering your back knee towards the ground while keeping your front knee aligned with your ankle. As you step back, twist your torso towards the side of your front leg, engaging your core and working on your balance. Alternate sides with each rep. This move targets your glutes, quads, and core, while also improving flexibility and stability. 5. Burpees. We're finishing strong with burpees. This move is one of the most effective exercises for burning fat and improving endurance. Start in a standing position. Drop down into a squat. Place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank, and then jump your feet back up towards your hands. Explosively jump into the air with your arms overhead, and repeat. Burpees are tough, but they work your entire body, from your legs to your core to your upper body, making them the perfect move to round out this full-body workout. Cool down and stretching. Great job making it through this intense 5-minute workout. But don't forget the cool down. Cooling down helps bring your heart rate back to normal and prevents muscle soreness. Spend a minute or two doing some light stretching, focusing on the muscles we just worked. Stretch out your legs with a simple hamstring stretch. Roll your shoulders to loosen them up, and don't forget to stretch your lower back by doing some gentle spinal twists. Now, Who says you don't have time to exercise? This quick, full-body workout proves that even just 5 minutes can help you burn fat, build muscle, and improve your overall fitness. If you're consistent, you'll start seeing results in no time. And remember, it's not about how long you work out, but how effectively you use the time you have. Try adding this workout to your daily routine and let me know in the comments how you feel afterward. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips that fit into your busy schedule. Let's make time for fitness, no matter how packed our days are.